Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. Now normally I would do an unboxing, but unfortunately I don't know what the courier was thinking, but he basically left this parcel resting on the back gate of my back gate. Like, my back gate is about this wide, so why he thought that this parcel could rest on there, I don't know. They only knew he rested it on there because that's how we took the picture. When I'd got home, I was like, we said I got this delivery. I thought my daughter took delivery of it because she was actually in, and she's like, no one's knocked, Mum. So I looked at the picture and that's where it was, and then I was like, well, it wasn't there. So I'm like, has someone taken it? Obviously they hadn't. It'd fallen behind. No, it could have fallen in front of the gate, or it could have fallen behind. Luckily for me, it did fall behind, and basically I was very lucky that nothing was broken or damaged. I mean, I have sent the courier a very disappointing email because it should not have been left like that. It's just so stupid, and especially when somebody was actually in the house, so they hadn't even bothered to try and knock. So nothing to do with Pretty Gets Gritty or Create and Craft, which is where I purchased these from. So basically Lynette Jasper was on Create and Craft last week, and basically she was releasing some new stuff, and they had some deals on. They had happy hour deals and stuff like that, so I've just had to get some more of the stuff because I've fallen in love with this lady and her products and everything. Before you long, I'm telling you, I'm going to have everything that she does, just because I feel like her stuff is amazing. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So the first things I got was these Drunken Dusts. Now this Dirty Gertie is actually Lynette's daughter, Taylor. It's her business, and she's obviously a crafter as well, and these, like, they just explode different colours. They're just so nice. There's no mica in these particular colours or anything like that, which I really like. I love mica, I love anything glittery and shiny, but sometimes you don't want that glitter, like especially on men's cards. I mean, my other half, he cannot stand anything that's shiny and glittery, so when I tend to do his cards, there's no kind of shimmer or anything on his cards, so these are going to be perfect. So yes, these are Drunken Dust, and I think I got these, obviously I'm going off club price, I think it was just shy of £9 for two, so I got as many as I could. I'm not sure if I managed to get them all or not. I'd have to check on Lynette's website to see if I've ticked them off. If I have, if I haven't, I know I've got a good amount of them. So the first thing we've got is Lady Magenta, and then we've got Blue Hawaiian. Now these it just does not give you a colour, and I feel like it's not the colour, basically I'm trying to say, it's not the colour what is going to give you. They're really vibrant colours, so I feel like I will do a video on all, like, the things I've been buying lately of Pretty Gets Gritty, and I will always put Dirty Gertie in with Pretty Gets Gritty because to me the twinnies type of thing, it's a twin company. So I might do a swatch video, and then you can see of all the lovely colours of the products I've been buying, because this is my second haul from them. And then we've got Harvey Wall Banger, then we've got Grape Teeny, and apparently these were all named after cocktails she likes, her favourite cocktails. This is Cosmopolitan, Blue Lagoon, I feel like this is definitely going to be my favourite, and Purple Rain, I think, no, there's one more of these, and then we've got Indigo Frill. And then on the Pretty Gets Gritty side of things, they've got like these explosion powders. These have got mica in them, as you can see the shimmer in there. And I picked up Aphrodite, and I also picked up Neptune, and I think these are around £10 for two, with my club discount, so I was bargained to get those. And then I got lots of these Let's Get get crackled gel. So again, these was on an offer. I think it was 3 for £15, or buy 2 get 1 free, or something like that anyway. So the first one we got is lemon, and then we've got amber and turquoise, regal, tropical, mint, tipsy, spangle. This gorgeous, this one, it's like goldeny colour. Silver. Silver again, just because I think it was buy 2 get 1 free. So obviously I didn't want to miss out on one, so I went for a colour that was going to be used a lot, and silver and blues are my most used colours, and greens, so I went with silver. Then got fuchsia. Then got oil. Got sepia. Got Sundays. And the last one is drift. And then this next few couple of things was a new release that day, and they are 2 new stamp sets. I'll just start off with this one because it's hard to get them in the camera and try and keep the glare off. Now these birds was apparently designed by her local tattoo artist, which I think are awesome. But then all these filler stamps, as Lynette called them, background stamps I call them, but her daughter has done these, and I really hope that her daughter ends up doing like full plates of these kind of stamps, because I love her background stamps as well. And then we've got Perfectly Imperfect, which is Lynette saying. Now this is not the size of the stamps, guys. Like, look how big they actually are, like as big as my hand, some of them. They are really good size stamps. And then this next one is the Inky Soul Bird. The other one actually was called Perfectly Inky Bird. And then we've got Inky Soul Bird. And again, we've got 2 birds, a larger and a smaller one. And then we've got Soulful of Sunshine, which are play on words there. And some more of these background filler stamps. And again, look at the size of them. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. I can see me using this one a lot. And on this other one, I could see me using this circly one and this one a lot, definitely. And the demonstration she did was amazing as well, and there's lots of inspiration going on. And then the last few things are these stencils. I'd seen them on Lynette's Facebook page, on the Pretty Gets Gritty page, and some lady was doing some demonstrations with them, and I was like, I need these stencils in my life. And I emailed her and she replied, which is also amazing at, like, the customer service is just beyond anything you can imagine. She's just an amazing person. And basically she said they was going to be on this show, and that's why I was tuning in for these, to make sure I got these, because I've been wanting them. So yeah, so I got her and I'm dead pleased. So like, we've got some diamond and we've got a crescent and some triangles there. Then we've got hearts and hexagon type things and crosses. And then we've got circles and dash circles and stuff like that on there. And we've got some flourishes as well, and some, like, reminds me kind of Morse code type of thing going on down the bottom. And then we've got this one, which we've got lots of like little circles in here. We've got like the kite, I don't know what it's called, that shape. And we've got a square, we've got some stars. We've got a swirly, which could be for a kite as such. Then again, we've got some more hexagon style things. I don't know what the 5 one is. Is it pentagon? I don't know. I think it might be pentagon, but I probably got that wrong. And then we've got some ovals here. And then the last one is stars and circles. This one here, I feel like will be used quite a lot because you've got the different degrading signs, like the ever decreasing circles type of thing. I call my daughter Star, so I know I would definitely be using this one on her card. So that's my haul from Create and Craft via Pretty Gets Gritty. So if you've not seen her, go and check her out. I will put a link to her Facebook group down below where there is tons and tons of inspiration, and she does loads of live videos, and her design team members do lots of videos for her as well, lots of lives, and her daughter. So, and they're always really fun girls to join in, and guys as well. So yeah, so that's my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.